This is the death coming from the sky, which snaps the neck of birds flying in the air. Actually, this is the peregrine falcon, the world's fastest flying bird, which uses the stoop technique to hunt. In this, it first goes to the heights of the sky and then dives towards the prey from there. During the dive, its speed is 390 km/h, and with this speed, it attacks the prey and makes it its lunch. And this rocket-like attack technique is so dangerous that you can estimate it by this: when the attack happens, the prey only gets to know that it is being attacked, but from which direction, it doesn't.